NYXO, currently at 0007, requested over on YouTube here. This one is one that we have not covered before, currently up 16.67% today. Let's see where we're at here. The open at 0007. It says the high of 0008, the low at 0006, currently at 0007. Basing it off of the previous day, which would have been Friday, like I said right now. This is one of those ones where you've got like a little bit of a rhythm coming here. You've got a green day, a red day, a green day, a red day, and now it's looking to be a green day right now. Honestly, everything is looking really bullish on this. 74 on the RSI. This is going to be one of those ones that's going to be hard for me to read. There isn't that much information. You're working off of 4 days right now of the of a chart that's just starting to really start moving off of nothing since 2015. Now, considering the fact that this thing hasn't had any volume, and when that volume came in, 360 million shares, you guys moved off of that real quick here. I'm definitely going to keep this one on a watch, but right now I think that it might relax a little bit here and let it start, not necessarily pulling back a lot, but starting to pull back down maybe to the 0006, 0005 area. And then start moving off of that. I do like the way that this one's shaping up here for a long term. I don't really say long term much at all, especially with penny stocks, but this is one of those ones that's pretty quiet down here and might be shaping up for a bigger run later on. So I'm sure that NYXO might be one of the ones that we cover here in a month from now, and it's 15 times higher from the way that it's looking here. And when I say that, you got to remember, there's a lot of indicators. That might be an exaggeration, but you guys get what I'm saying here. Not that much volume really moved this thing. So 0007, watch. Watch for now. Like I said, might pull back. Might pull back some. 5 to 0.0006. I'm going to put on here could be setting up for a run. Now, like I said, I think that's going to pull back before any run. So that's just my opinion, but it might be setting up right now. It just seems to be that way. Joe, NYXO, you want to tell us a little bit about it? What do they do?
All right, so they are Nyxio Technologies. I believe I'm possibly saying that right because of the way it's NYXIO. So that's it was established in 2007 to deliver high quality, cutting edge products to the consumer electronics industry. In only a few years, Nyxo has demonstrated a keen ability to innovate and keep ahead of the technology curve. The company's flagship product, the Viosphere Genius TV, is the first fully integrated flat screen TV and full PC available on the market. NYXO released the product 3 years ago before the consensus determined that the connected TV and smart TV would ride the next consumer technology wave. NYXO continues to identify gaps in consumer electronics market and develops creative products to fill those voids. In addition, by consolidating key hardware into more efficient devices, NYXO not only reduces the overall environmental footprint of end users, but keeps products reasonably priced. Headquartered in Portland, Oregon, NYXO Technologies is a publicly traded company, and on their business description over on their website, that's where I'm at right now, states that they're listed on the OTCQB stock exchange, but right now, over on OTC markets, they're actually pink no information with the skull and crossbones, so they're not up to date on their information on, like, you know what I mean, within OTC markets. Let's see. The company has the flexibility and maneuverability for rapid product information, allowing end users to benefit more quickly from technological developments and advances. The company enjoys distribution across several vertical markets and multiple industry sectors. So, I mean, right now, it's pure speculation, or maybe something's going on with the company advances. They were created in 2007. They, obviously, you see, I have a smart TV behind me right now. I don't know if they have patents or not. I mean, it's a good starting point to do some research on this company, I guess.
All right, so that is going to be stock ticker symbol NYXO. Like I said, right now, 0007 on watch, might pull back a little. I'll be interested to know. Really, I'd really like to know. It might not. I mean, you guys got to take it as your own. But you tend to want to find these stocks down here. You know what I mean? And once you start climbing up so much, you got to say, okay, now you're going to be at the point where you got to scratch your head. Will it keep going or will it start pulling back? Really, the decision's yours. But Ryan, I think that you might find something here that we're going to be covering. You know, here in the short term that might be getting set up for a big run. And this might be one of those ones that down here at the bottom. And why I keep saying that is because of this volume. This volume, there's some of these stocks, and you know it as well as I do. We've actually seen this last week on one of the stocks we covered. This one opened at 0001 and hit a high at 0007 for 360 million shares traded. If I remember correctly, wasn't it one that we looked at? It was like 1.6 billion shares traded. It was at 0001 still. We looked at that one.
I have no idea. We looked at 600 stocks
in the last month. Yeah. So you remember that? I remember it was exactly at 9:48 a.m. Eastern.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
NYXO guys, keep us updated. If you watch this video here in a few days or so, it's starting to move off of that, might start pulling back, whatever the case might be. Make sure to leave us a comment below. Tell us to take a look at it. Or again, if there's any other stock that you guys want to take a look at, leave us in the comment below of the video. Again, NYXO, investorshangout.com/live. Check out the live stream.